here's how I coloured in a sushi restaurant page inspired by Harry Styles' song Music for a Sushi Restaurant. Because let's be honest, the Harry Styles fan in me seen a sushi restaurant and basically just had to do it. So we're starting off strong by colouring in the little cat like Harry Styles. And gone for that kind of love heart dungarees, the nice red bow tie. He's wearing a teeny tiny red beret with a bum on it. It's very cute. And now we are going in with kind of the lighting. So I'm imagining that the cat that's serving the kind of sushi is inside the shop. The lights are on, the glow's on in there. It's night time. So I'm doing a shadow kind of for the bits where I imagine the moon maybe is shining onto this kind of scene and where those shadows and lights would be. Kind of colouring in everything a dark blue shade or that dark red shade for things that are in the shadows. That's kind of what we're going for. We've gone for very much like a red, a green, kind of yellowy kind of theme for this sushi restaurant because that's what I think of when I think of sushi. We've got the red glowy lantern. Now just making sure I've got all those highlights in the right places. I do think it's always a work in progress and sometimes I don't get it right. I'm not sure this is perfect, but it looks okay in the end result. I've gone for a wood texture on the wood slats at the bottom of kind of the stall, and I've gone for little like wiggly lines with kind of random dots to kind of show that wood grain. I'm now colouring in the sign, and again I've gone for like a marbly, like a yellow marble kind of texture on the worktop there that he's been served on. Colouring in the plants. I just love that green, I had to include it, and then covered it up because I thought it was too bright. Okay. That's where I think maybe my shadows were slightly wrong with the colouring of the flooring, but I think it looks good. I've gone for a Harry Styles themed cat, of course. I'm going to be adding in the brown curly hair any second now, and kind of the dotted beard. The tattoos, obviously, because, you know, it's not Harry Styles without those. And yeah, this is kind of the end result. I hope you like it. Let me know in the comments if you like my Harry Styles themed colouring page, or if you've ever done one, let me know where I can find it. I'd love to see it. Have a good day!